Manus AI directly has access to Facebook ads now. Like literally direct access to Facebook ads. And it's not perfect. Now, there's a reality check. Like again, as I say that, there are some quirks with this. It can hallucinate, right? That's a real thing with AI. So you definitely need to be able to look at that, look at everything and double check. It can't do autonomous media buying, nor would really be open or willing to let it do that yet. And where I think it's really useful is like really looking at the data side. I don't think it's great on strategy just yet. It's not aware of creative. Now you can screenshot it and give it the creative, but it's really good at looking like all the KPIs in the campaign, looking at click-through rates, looking at CPMs, looking at cost per lead, looking at cost per conversion, like all of the back end, and especially on complicated campaigns where you might have dozens or even hundreds of ads, right? Spread across multiple campaigns. And that's where this tool can really shine to help provide insights there.